Hello, and I hope you're all keeping well. It has been a very active 2 weeks since I was first elected as Taoiseach, and the new government has focused on the key challenges facing our society: the continuing impact of COVID-19, the necessity for economic recovery both here and across Europe, and also the continuing reopening of our society in the aftermath of the lockdown. In the context of COVID, we very successfully launched a new COVID tracker app with 1 million downloads, underlining the importance of all of us working together to combat the virus. We've also issued travel advice, which remains the same: not to travel abroad for non-essential purposes. In addition to that, we're working to try and get our hospitals' capacity up and running in terms of dealing with non-COVID illnesses and getting greater volume of diagnostics underway. Above all, we're trying to get the schools reopened, and there's a lot of work going on there because it's essential that our children will be enabled to go back to school at the end of August. On the economic front, we've put a lot of work into developing a jobs stimulus programme to be launched shortly. And that is designed to protect jobs and also create new jobs to combat the negative impact that COVID has had on our economy. And then in the medium term, we're working towards an economic recovery plan. I've spoken with many European leaders. I spoke with the First Minister, Deputy First Minister in Northern Ireland, to develop a collaborative and consensus approach to meeting the common challenge that all of us face in terms of COVID-19. I'm hopeful and confident that we can come through these challenges, and it's very important that we continue to work together and stay focused on those key challenges that we are facing. And we will do everything we possibly can, day in and day out, to successfully overcome these challenges.